Let's see the quick demo of knowledge graph which can save your AI assistant tokens. And here I just build an application as a game application where I utilize this knowledge graph, so that we will try to see how we can introduce or how we can install and how we can use it. So here you can see all that knowledge graph but just got created based on your project. So yeah, let's see the quick look about that my game application which I just use after adding this knowledge graph. So yeah, see, this is that game actually I just build, and here I can just movement, and here I can just hitting over here some nice hitting plan over there. So yeah, I just build this game using this knowledge graph easily without less token over there. So yeah, that we will try to see how we can. So yeah, I think that pretty much good. So let's moving to start implementations. So before I start implementation, I'm especially recommend if you first time visit my channel, so go to my channel which is .NET real world example, and then here I especially recommend those are session which is here I just build or set up open code and first time, because right now I'm just using that open code along with the knowledge graph. So yeah, just see that open code setup, and also if you want to AI integration, build game development, mobile development, and anything actually front end back end. So yeah, you can easily learn it over here. And yeah, let's moving to start implementation. So yeah, I'll just open as a game, or this is that my game folder where I just last time I just built this game using this open code. So yeah, that's why I'm just open so that I can show you that how actually in the real world using the Graphify knowledge base system, so that you can save your tokens and utilize it is for your uh, to build a your own game, or whatever that code source actually you can utilize over here. So yeah, actually for that actually just open an existing project, and also I'll show you there's a GitHub link for this Graphify. So see, this is that GitHub link actually. So Graphify, and here they just mention everything over here. So yeah, you can just check out over here, but don't worry, I'll tell you how we can set up and all. So first of all, you need to set up this Graphify. Okay, so how do we can set up? So yeah, for that Windows Windows system and operating system, actually you just simply use actually that UV, or if you can use that Python. Okay, so there is a three way actually you can just utilize. So yeah, make sure Python got installed, and then you can just install UV. Okay, and once you're done, so I'll just prefer to use this. So yeah, once you installed, you are able to see this UV command in your terminal. So go back, I'm just going to any terminal over here. So yeah, you can just use any terminal, not required in this particular folder to install that graphical. So yeah, first actually you have to install the Graphify. So UV version, now you are able to see that is available. So yeah, make sure UV is available, and once you're done, now go back to here, and I can just simply use this command to install your Graphify. So simply copy this and paste it on. Let me little zoom it so that you can easily see it over here. Yeah, and this is that command. Let me zoom it for you again. Yeah, and once you're done, now see Graphify got installed. Okay, yeah, so once you install, so we have to go back to that again over here. So yeah, once you install, now we have to register actually that AI assistant. So for that AI assistant, if you using open code, currently I'm using that open code, but if you have that other CLI as well, like codex or other things, and for open or cloud code, so you can just simply use this one so that your current project can be installed over here. Okay, but yeah, for mine case I'll just use open code, so I'll just simply use this guy over here. And yeah, all that it is just available for that specific platform, so you can just utilize, and simply I can just hit enter. And once you're done, now see, I am able to see that skill got generated, and also you will able to see this Graphify skills in your code assistant. And this is nice actually to create a plugin and Graphify GS and all, so that they can maintain everything over here, right? So yeah, that is done. So we are not going to over here. Now go back to again over here, and then specify if you want to particular extract that PDF and Google and videos and all. So you can just simply use this command and to install those things. Okay, so we are not going to this, actually we just skip that part. And then what I'll do, if you make to assistant always as a graph, right? So yeah, just you can just use this platform and you can just simply install. So yeah, I'll just use this one again to installation. So yeah, for open code you can just simply use this Graphify open code install, so that always it will work for your open code. Okay, and yeah, in this case actually see in the agent got created, that will taken care of everything. Okay, so these are 2-3 steps actually you have to done. So once you're done, now just clear everything. Okay, and just open it open code, AI assistance. Okay, so open that. Now I do see my open code is available, and this is completely free so far. Okay, so yeah, also we can check that model. So see that model I do see. Okay, now I do see one more changes actually they have done. Now previously I do see four big model actually they just allow to us to work on the free, but currently I do see only two is left. So yeah, I think day by day actually they just uh, the free version just skip that. But yeah, till now I do see it is available, so I can use this model as well. So yeah, that is fine. And once you're done, now what you need to do, simply you have to go to that skills section, and once you go to the skill section, just check this Graphify. So see, you're able to see this Graphify is available. Okay, and once you're done, now go to select this guy and simply dot. Okay, so you just prefer your dot, so that your root directory actually it will create that graphic knowledge base graph over there, so that easily once you are just talking with this agent to read, or whatever instruction to want. So first actually it will just utilize your Graphify knowledge base, and they will proceed, so that it will not then not use that huge tokens every time. Like for example, suppose for example today just build anything over there, right? So the current session actually it will just keep complete your repository and all over there. But for example, I'll just close this one and just open it again. So definitely that current coding assistance does not know anything about their project, whatever we have done previously, right? So that's how actually that Graphify knowledge base comes in this picture, so that they just keep it that Graphify knowledge base in your current application or current source. Then in next time once you open, so it will just read first from that Graphify, so that whatever you have done, whatever things they just utilize those things without using the from that scratch. So that is that actually main advantage to Graphify knowledge. So yeah, I'll just use this and simply hit enter. And once you're done, now it will just create your Graphify knowledge base in first time. It will take little 1 or 2 minutes only. So yeah, let's wait to complete, then we'll show you how they generate that Graphify knowledge base system. And yeah, over here see, they just there are some steps actually they have to just complete it over here, and also they just generated over. Now see, they created that new folder over here, Graphify out. So yeah, let me complete that, and then we will just open it and show you how actually they generate complete application to grab that knowledge and store it in this Graphify knowledge based system. Okay, so I do see they just complete it within a few seconds or a few minutes actually, and then I can just open it my this folder. And if you check over here, so I do see there's a graph HTML. Okay, and then if I just open it and just open this file and see how look like actually they just create that Graphify uh, the knowledge base system. And yeah, everything actually over here, that whatever that enemies we have on the weapon system and all, and this is that nodes where once you click, so yeah, whatever the nodes actually dependent on this particular system. So yeah, everything is just created easily over here, and they can use our AI coding assistance, right? So yeah, I think this is not we are going to do very much over there, but yeah, I think we are good on this part. And yeah, you can just go through in this case, like if you required. So yeah, because nothing we have to check over there, but yeah, whatever things actually just create, if you just zoom in, so you can just check out over. Yeah, this is effect, this is rand, and this is things and all. Okay, so now moving to back to your application over here, actually we have to check, like, how they utilize this system, right, instead of directly again to check everything, right? So yeah, as like I just open this system, right, nothing I have to check, nothing I have to tell, okay, what need to do, and also previously whatever we have done, they are existing over it. So now we have to modify, and I just want to create, that night effects and game. So yeah, before that, first I'll show you what right now in this game or this project actually have that. So let me go to the open another terminal and run this application. So for run this application, npx serve, and using this, so that I can run this game application using listing point, and copy this, go back to here, open it another browser and open it here, and yeah, this is my game folder. And once you're done, now see, this game is not as a complete over here. Now look, feel is not good, and even their movement and all, see, is nothing good even. Yeah, so see, even they are not able to kill that enemy as well. Okay, there's a some problem which I just created last time to comparison of OpenCode and free buff. So yeah, see, I'm once I try to kill, nothing happen. Okay, so what I can do, I'll just fix that issue using this Graphify, which I just recently installed. So that I want to see that how quickly they can understand the system, and without base that token and all, how we can easily uh, build that our requirement. So yeah, for that, what I need to do, I already have that requirement which I just want to build over here. So simply I can just hit enter. Now see, I have this complete requirement what I need to build. So I just add over here, like, just modify, enemy properly working, and also there whatever shooting mechanism, hitting mechanism, it should properly work. Even whatever that, they are running that player and all, that is also not right. Even if you see over here, so if we just run it again, so see that player also, it's inside that, a particular it is not on a mesh, right? It is inside that mesh or ground. So those are things we will try to fix it over here. So that's why I just provide this. And here I want to show you one thing. So see, once I give that prompt over here, if you little down and see, first actually they just get this connectivity game main loop, and also what they're trying to do, they check this Graphify out folder, and just check it what is happen over there, what are the, so get the data and all, right? And then based on this, information, actually they will try to modify, so that it is not directly actually to read the token and get the token and then read that complete folder. They just going to this Graphify folder, and whatever the Graphify knowledge base over there, so just read and then they just try to modification. They just get complete information of that game, and then I do see they just create this task for this build this game. So yeah, that I just want actually is the short combo to 6 phases and auto walk animations, and then add floating damage, add short trails, hit to ring, and then also add night sky with the stars, add combo creators. So yeah, I think that pretty much good our requirement. So yeah, let's wait to complete that requirement and build this game. Well, I do see they just completed over here within a few, I think, yeah, you can see the 3 minute only, 3 minute 27 second, just complete build this game as per my the big requirement, right? So yeah, that is the way actually we can utilize to use the less token for our coding assistance. So yeah, let me test this game so that we can ensure it is just working fine, and whatever modification. So yeah, I can just rerun again for this game, and yeah, now it's running. If we go back to here and just refresh, so my god, so this is awesome actually. See, as I just keep this, and yeah, oh my god, this is nice effect as well. As like previously, see, there's a many issue. Even if I just run, I can just see properly animation of this player and Roblox player, and yeah, properly movement anything. And even I just want to just even, yeah, so see, this is that enemy. So if I want to kill that enemy. Nice effect. Even I just move to this guy, even that, my god, yeah. So now I just kill. But yeah, this is the way we can easily utilize knowledge graph and less token. And yeah, this properly working. Even there is a many. Okay, so now I lost, and then I just have this nice effect. Perfect, my god, awesome. So I think that pretty much good, right? And yeah, and yeah, this is the way you can utilize this knowledge base graph things over there. And thank you, have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.